How to preview and publish a Squarespace website. So when you're done editing your Squarespace, first thing you need to do is just click on this save option. So doing this will actually save the progress that you have made. Now from there, just click on exit. Once you have exited, you can see now your settings on your sidebar. Next thing we need to do from there is to just click on this arrow icon, and this is actually our preview option. Just click on this right here in order to see a preview of what it looks like. As you can see, these are clickable, and even if you open this one right here, it will not open the editor. So this will serve as your preview of this particular website. So if you want to exit it, just click on this arrow down and then it will be exited. Take note that when you save your design, it will be automatically updated on the published version. So that's how you preview and publish a Squarespace website. Hope we helped.